Nice one. Right, I'm in York. If this is going to be the start of a video, I don't know. Right, I'm in York with some 1Z10 mates, and it's a night of railway photography on York Station. And there's my mate Eddie taking the mick out of me here. But yes, we're going to get ready for a Class 60 coming through on a biomass on platform 3, so I need to go find a spot, a composition and all that business.
Andy, can you just tell, what were you doing there?
So I've got set up, and it's a shot underneath the station roof of York. There's a Class 60 coming on this biomass, and well, I totally cocked up the Class 60 shot, but just arrived in platform 2 is a Class 68 from Scarborough. Now this is one of the famous artistic shots of Class 68s at York through this railings here, which makes a nice shot. It is, it's showing on the signal diagrams in platform 4. That sounds like a 37. Of the night was this Class 57. Now I lined it up underneath the clock because it was supposed to come on platform 3, but it hasn't. It's run on platform 5, so not the shot that I was planning there. By the magic of YouTube, we've moved forward a day, so this is tomorrow. Well, it's actually today, but it's tomorrow if you're watching. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm back at York, and it's another night's photography in York. Last night was a bit, it was fun, but it was a bit hectic, so hopefully tonight I can take it at a slower pace and find some nice compositions around the station. And this looks a nice spot here, right at the end of platform 4, I think it is. There's a Class 68 parked up. Engine's turned off, it's not going anywhere. Now this is the first shot of the night, and what I'm thinking is to use this yellow line here, look, down the platform, straight down to the Class 68, and to get the station in the background. So I can actually go for f11, 2.5 second exposure on an ISO 320, focusing on the front of the Class 68 with the station lights and following that yellow line to lead the eye right into the scene. opportunity to get the Class 68, the one that's just arrived from Scarborough, behind these fabulous railings. Makes a great shot. Not an original one. I'm stealing the shot from many people before me, but it makes a great view. Well, what a waste of time it's been on York tonight. Every flaming photograph I've tried to do has been some bugger taking the piss out of me and getting in this shot. Hasn't
I don't know
there?
what you're talking about, mate.
It's one of these bloody 1Z tenors that
I've been nothing but supportive. Just trying to help and support you, mate.
Well,
give you a bit of advice.
advice.
You can't take constructive criticism.
Exactly.
The best advice I can give you is you shouldn't have come out tonight.
No, that's
Not with your camera, anyway.
I'm sorry this video's been absolutely bloody dreadful tonight, and I haven't done much talking. I've been working all day, and well, I'm a bit buggered now, you know. I'm absolutely. That was a 66. Bloody missed it.